Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome back to Banking Help SA. This is how to reverse money on the Capitec app. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. First, it is important to know that before you try to reverse a payment, normal transfers, beneficiary payments, EFTs, and other non-debit order transactions cannot be reversed directly in the Capitec app. If you send money by mistake, you can try contacting the recipient and requesting a refund. If you are unable to contact the recipient or have no other options available, you can also contact Capitec support to discuss the transaction and any possible next steps. The only transactions that you can dispute and reverse directly through the Capitec app are debit orders. To reverse a debit order, all you have to do is open the Capitec app and sign into your account. From the home screen, tap Transact at the bottom of the screen. Next, scroll down and select Debit Orders. From here, open the History tab and select the debit order that you want to reverse. Review the debit order details and then follow the on-screen instructions to dispute or stop it. Once that is done, confirm the request to complete the process. And that is it. That's how to reverse money on the Capitec app. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.